Today, we are tackling a kitchen upgrade, swapping out my microwave vent with the Cosmos under cabinet vent hood. Here are some tips to make it through the process. Before we dive into this exciting under cabinet vent hood home renovation project, I want to make it clear that safety is our top priority. If you're not experienced with this kind of work, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional. We're not responsible for any of the accidents or damages. This video is for educational purpose only. Now let's get started. As you can see, the oil buildup on my cabinet was a clear sign that my old vent system was struggling. Cooking produces a lot of oil, and I needed a solution that could keep up. Enter the Cosmos under cabinet vent hood, a sleek powerhouse designed to handle the demands of a busy kitchen. Saying goodbye to the old microwave, 2 screws at the top, a slide down, and a lift. Easy, right? Well, it was heavy, so I recommend having a helping hand for the heavy lifting. Cosmos to the rescue with a handy template marking the cut and screw locations was a snap. 4 screws on the side, 4 on the top, and initially I was skeptical if they hold. Spoiler alert, more than enough. Caution, before you dive into drilling or cutting, double check those measurements. No one like extra holes, right? I had to make room for my new vent hose, so out with the old vent provisions. Double check your hose fits the vent hole. Crucial step. Now the pre-cuts are ready, but before screwing in the range hood, attach the vent hose to the range hood. Patience here pays off, folks, because once the hood's up, it's a bit trickier. With pre-drilled screws on the side walls, it's time to fix the range hood in place. 2 people? Yes, unless you have a magical hardware installation genie named Jackie. Pro tip: grab an extended flexible driver to secure those screws from the bottom. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. And now feeding the vent hose into the house. Seal those joints with professional grade foil tape. It can handle the heat and keeps everything airtight. The kitchen transformation is complete. We'd been planning this for over a year, and finally the stars aligned to finish this project.